Hello friends, welcome back to Online Math Sub. So we have this a problem right here. So this is m power 8 minus 1448 equal to 0. We're just expected to find out the real values of m that actually satisfy this equation. Okay, but just before we proceed, if you are new to our channel, do well to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and also turn on the notification icon so that whenever we release new content, you actually get to know about it. And of course, if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much. And then of course, do well to hit the like button even as we proceed with this. So I like to start by writing this solution, and of course the question we are solving is m power 8 minus 144 is equal to 0. Okay, so I'm actually going to write this m power 8 as m power 4 and then bracket 2. And of course this 145 I can also write it as 12 power 2. Okay, is equal to 0. So obviously you can see that this is difference of two squares, and of course you can remember that if you have a power 2 minus b power 2, you can actually expand this to be a minus b, and of course multiply by a plus b. Okay, so using that rule here, you can see a is equal to m power 4 and then b is equal to 12. So I'm going to have that this will change to m power 4 minus 12, and then of course multiply by m power 4 plus 12. Okay, it's equal to 0. Right, so using the zero product rule, we have that m power 4 minus 12 is equal to 0, or m power 4 plus 12 is equal to 0. So next time I'm actually going to be taking this, let's say this is case 1, and of course this will be case 2. So taking this first case, m power 4 minus 12 is equal to 0. I can go ahead to write this. I can write this m power 4 as m power 2 minus, I can also write this 12 as square root of 12, and of course power 2 is equal to 0. Okay, so that using the difference of two squares again, I can have that this will change to m power 2 minus root 12, okay, multiply by m power 2 plus root 12 is equal to 0. Okay, so again, m power 2 minus root 12 is equal to 0, or m power 2 and then plus root 12 is equal to 0. Okay, so solving for this, obviously m power 2 is equal to square root of 12, and then of course I can rewrite this square root of 12 as 12 power 1 over 2. Okay, so that I can take the square root of both sides. Square root of m power 2 is equal to the square root of course plus or minus square root of 12 power 1 over 2, and obviously this will cancel this, and m now becomes plus or minus the square root of 12 power 1 over 2, which is equal to, m is equal to plus or minus the square root of 1 over 12 power 1 over 2, and this square root I can also write it as a power 1 over 2 again, so that finally m now becomes plus or minus 12 power. I can use this 1 over 2 to multiply this, so I have this will give me 12 power 1 over 4. So we're getting the two values of m from here. M is equal to positive 12 power 1 over 4, or negative 12 power 1 over 4. Good. So we've got this right here, and then we can come back here and also solve this for this side. So let me just draw this line. Then here m squared is equal to, I can move this to the right hand side, so that I have that m squared is equal to minus root 1 root 12. Okay, and you can see that there is no real solution to this, so I'm actually going to reject this. So there's no real solution to this, and then this one is over. And then we can come over to case 2. On case 2, I have that m power 4 plus 12 is equal to 0, so which implies that m power 4 is equal to minus 12. And you can see that there's no real solution to this, because there's no real value of m that when you raise it to power 4, it will give you minus 12. So I'm actually going to also reject this one. And at the end of the day, you discover that the two real values of x which we've got is m equal to, let me just put it right here. So let me say m1 is equal to a positive 12 power 1 over 4. And then the second one, let's call it m2 is equal to negative 12 power 1 over 4. So the next thing I'm going to be doing in the next few minutes, very quick, is to run a quick check. So let me just say, let's just run a quick check to see if these two values of m satisfy the equation we are solving. So what we are solving here is n power 8 minus 144 is equal to 0. So we want to find out whether the two values of m we've got satisfies this. Okay, so for m equal to positive 12 power 1 over 4, we're going to be having that 12 power 1 over 4, and then power 8 is equal to, or rather minus 144 is equal to 0. Okay, so what I have here is 12 power 1 over 4, and then multiply by 8 minus 12 minus 144 is equal to 0. This can actually cancel this, and then of course 4 divided itself, 1 4 divided 8 is 2, so 2 times 1 is 2. So I have 12 power 2 minus 144 is equal to 0, and obviously 12 power 2 is 144 minus 144, and of course you can see it satisfies, is equal to 0. So next we check for m equal to negative 12 power 1 over 4. And then what we now have is negative 12 power 1 over 4, and then power 8 minus 144 is equal to 0. Okay, so using the same rule right here, I am also going to use this to divide this, so that I have that this is minus 12 power 1 over 4, okay, multiplied by 8, and then minus 144 is equal to 0. This divide itself 1, this divide this is 2, so I have minus 12 power 2 minus 144. Okay, so which the minus 1 multiplied by minus 1 power 2 is positive, so what I have here is positive 12 power 2 minus 144 is equal to 0. So this is 144 minus 144 is equal to 0. So you can see clearly that the two values of m, negative and then positive 12 power 1 over 4, actually satisfy the equation we are solving. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you have understood this, and of course if you have enjoyed the video, do well to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and of course turn on the notification icon so that you will always get notified each time we release new content. Of course, you can also do well to share this video with your friends, and I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Bye.